Welcome to this tutorial on using Hostinger Horizons as a complete beginner. In this video, you will learn every step from signing up for Hostinger through publishing and maintaining your website. We will move slowly and explain each feature clearly so you can follow along without confusion. By the end of this session, you will have a live website online that you designed yourself without writing a single line of code. Hostinger Horizons isn't just a small update or a visual refresh. It's a full redesign of the hosting dashboard experience. For years, most people used cPanel or other traditional hosting control panels that, while powerful, can feel cluttered and intimidating, especially if you're new to building websites. Hostinger saw this as an opportunity to build something better from the ground up. They took the most common tasks website owners perform, like installing WordPress, checking site speed, connecting domains, and managing files, and created a system that makes each of those tasks as simple and as smooth as possible. The result is a clean, user-focused interface that's not just easier to use, but also faster to navigate. First, you need to sign up for a Hostinger account if you do not already have one. Open your browser and go to hostinger.com. Look for the Sign Up button at the top right corner and click it. Enter a valid email address and choose a strong password. You will receive a confirmation email. Click the link in that email to verify your account. After verification, you will be taken to the Hostinger dashboard. If you already have an account, simply click the Login button, enter your credentials, and proceed. Once you are inside the dashboard, you will see two main areas. On the left is a vertical menu listing all the features. At the top is Home, which shows an overview of your account. Below that, you will find websites, domains, emails, VPS, dark web monitoring, billing, and marketplace. Home shows a welcome message with your name and highlights current promotions. You will see a call to explore hosting plans and a quick domain search tool. This is a launch point for everything you do. Click Websites to view all the websites you have created or hosted. From here, you can launch the Horizons interface or install applications like WordPress with one click. The Domains section lets you register new domain names, transfer existing domains into Hostinger, and manage DNS records. Emails takes you to your email accounts where you can set up professional addresses using your domain, manage inboxes, and configure forwards or autoresponders. If you need more power, the VPS section offers virtual private server plans that let you take full control of your hosting environment. You can spin up a server running Linux or Windows, choose exactly how much CPU and RAM you need, and adjust those resources later as your traffic grows. Dark web monitoring works quietly in the background to protect your online identity by scanning known breach databases for your email addresses and other sensitive information. If it detects your credentials in a leak, it immediately alerts you so you can change passwords and secure affected accounts. This proactive layer of defense helps keep your personal and business data safe by notifying you as soon as a potential exposure is found. Billing expands to show your payment methods, invoices, and renewal settings. You can add or remove credit cards, view billing history, and set up auto-renewal for domains or hosting plans. Finally, Marketplace lists additional services you can purchase, such as SSL certificates, website design, and premium email upgrades. This menu on the left gives you quick access to everything in your Hostinger account. On the home page, you will also see a promotion for Website Builder and web hosting. It shows the current monthly price and a button labeled Explore Plans. Click that if you need to upgrade your plan, or if you have not yet selected one that includes Horizons, the drag and drop builder we will use. Below the promotion, you will see Start with a domain name. This is a search tool. Enter your desired domain and click Search. If the name is available, you can register it on the spot. If you already own a domain, click the link to transfer it to Hostinger or connect it by updating its name servers. Having your domain connected at this stage means when you publish your site, it will go live immediately at that address. Now that your account and hosting plan are ready, Click Websites, then click Create or Edit Website. This launches the Horizons interface. On the left side, you will see an AI assistant panel labeled Hostinger Horizons. This panel listens to your questions and offers real-time help. If your preview shows an error, click the Fix Current Web App Error button above the assistant. The assistant will then generate any missing pieces or suggest corrections so you can keep building without hunting through settings. In the center of the screen, you have a live preview of your site. Any change you make in the settings or any adjustment the assistant makes will appear here immediately. Above the preview, on the top bar, you will find device icons. Use these to switch between desktop, tablet, and mobile views. This lets you verify that your design looks good on every screen size before you publish. At the far right of the top bar, you will see a Help icon, a Superbase button, and a Publish button. Clicking Help opens documentation that explains every feature. The Superbase button lets you connect a database backend in one click, so you can store and retrieve data without leaving the builder. When you are ready to make your site live, the Publish button deploys your project instantly to your domain. You can also share your own ideas with the AI assistant by simply typing a description of what you want to see. Whether you want a specific layout, a color scheme inspired by nature, or even a fancy button style, just tell the assistant in plain words and it will generate suggestions or code snippets to match. If you have a visual reference, you can upload an image directly into the panel. The assistant will analyze that picture and propose design elements, color palettes, or layout adjustments based on what it sees. Before going live, click Preview and check every device view again. Use the reload icon under the device toggles to refresh your preview after big changes. Make sure all links work, forms submit correctly, and layouts look right. When everything is ready, click Publish. You will see a progress indicator as Horizons deploys your site. When it finishes, your live URL appears. Open it in a new tab to perform a final check. Test forms, navigate pages, and review typography and images. After publishing, you can log into your Hostinger dashboard at any time to edit your site, view deployment history, or roll back to a previous version. To protect your work, generate manual backups from the Hosting Backups section. If you ever need to restore, you can do so with one click. You now have all the skills you need to launch and maintain a site using Hostinger Horizons. You learn to navigate the dashboard, use the AI assistant panel to fix issues, connect a database, preview on multiple devices, and publish to your own domain. Thank you for following this tutorial. Practice often and you will become faster and more confident. Good luck with your website and happy building.